Hi guys, how are you doing today? Now friends, as you all know that both me and Aditya are always available for your advice. If you need help in stock markets, if you need help in career, if you need help in any such things, feel free to contact us. Now recently I've been answering a lot of questions for this one particular problem, and a lot of people have been asking me this, especially in the past 5-6 months. So I'm assuming that most of you also might be facing with this problem. And the problem is that should you drop out of college? Are you wasting your time at college? So let's analyze this and try to answer this question today. Now, the term college dropout is socially accepted. If you see nowadays, it's cool. पहले ज़माने में, if in a parents' generation you talk to someone, he says कि I have not been to college, they look down on him. Society will look down on him. But now, if you're a college dropout, you get an extra brownie point. उल्टा society looks up at you, right? लोग अपने Instagram pages में लिख रहे हैं I'm a college dropout. Some of the biggest entrepreneurs are college dropouts, and you will see कितने लोग होते हैं कि I'm a college dropout and I've done this, I've done this, I've done that. Being fair, both me and Aditya are also college dropouts, and today we are some of the known names in Indian stock markets. Touch wood. So I am going to tell you what are the problems I faced for not going to college and what are the advantages I faced. So if you are planning to drop out of college, trust me, there are these 3 things you will never get, which me and Aditya till date wish we had. Point number 1. Exposure. Being in college gives you that exposure. You meet friends, you meet teachers, you make friends from different backgrounds, from different financial backgrounds, from different working backgrounds. So interaction बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, which is very very important, right? तो इसके लिए me and Aditya actually thought there was a lack of exposure for us. So what we did, we joined other organizations, we joined public organizations or open meetings. We kept going there to get more exposure, which a college gives you. Second, college gives you flexibility. You know, you will be flexible enough to try everything. You can try acting by joining a drama society. You can do economics. You can write. You can enjoy book reading. You have movie watching clubs. You have so many clubs in the colleges these days itself that you have a lot of flexibility to try out a lot of different things at one single point. Third, and the most important, college teaches you how to fail. If you fail once, it's okay. If you fail twice, it's okay. College gives you the freedom to fail, which me and Aditya did not have. Right? So what college will give you, which we wish we could have got more. First, exposure. Second, flexibility. And third, giving you a chance to fail. Now guys, see, I'm not demotivating you, but I'm telling you the facts. If you are a college dropout, life is not easy. You will be judged by each and every part of society. Your parents will have to go through hell. Even when I say hell, I'm understating it. It's going to be absolute torture for your family and yourself. And a very known fact that it's 71% chances of you not being employed if you do not go to college. Right? So not going to college, it's like doing something कि मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ and I have all stacks against me. This is when you don't go to college. Now, if you are in a position where you ask कि I don't even like what I'm studying, should I go to college? मेरे दोस्त बेकार हैं, they are doing time waste the entire day. Should I go to college and spend time with them? I don't learn anything from my faculty, so why should I go to college? सबसे पहला, try and understand that there are 2 things. Passion or fascination. If you say you like stock markets, then tell me, do you like Wolf of Wall Street or you like the calculus behind stock markets? If you say you like acting, so do you like Shah Rukh Khan or do you actually like the procedure of acting, of getting into the character and acting? Try to differentiate between the two. बहुत बार होगा, like I can tell you so many times I have done this. When I listen to a good song, मुझे लगता है नहीं यार अब तो गिटार सीखना बनता है, so that in my bathroom I am just imagining myself singing a song. I'm sure आप भी लोग करते होंगे. So I actually said कि अच्छा मैं गिटार सीखूंगा because it looks very fancy. Now but जब मैंने actually किया उसमें keynotes थे, it's a difficult job. Playing guitar is not that easy. मैंने उसको छोड़ दिया. Why? Because it was my fascination. It was not my passion. So if you are planning to drop out of college, make sure you have differentiated between the two. अगर फैसिनेशन के चक्कर में कॉलेज छोड़ दिया तब तो खत्म, कहीं के नहीं रहोगे. Right? Second, if you want to drop out of college, make sure you have a stable source of income. क्यों? If you look at Mark Zuckerberg, when did he leave college? When Facebook was actually big enough, so he thought कि अच्छा अब Facebook इतना बड़ा हो गया, I should give my time at Facebook. My time is more fruitful at Facebook than at college. Right? So if you are doing something, if you want to start a business, if you want to start anything, you start it from the college itself and start generating income from it, so that जब वो बढ़ जाएगा, then you drop out of college and then you do that. Then, which comes at a very, very later stage, trust me. And if you're telling me नहीं सर मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, now a lot I tell this to a lot of people, और मुझे लोग बोलते हैं कि सर I don't have time, I cannot do this with college, I cannot study of stock markets with college, I cannot do that. Then my friend, you are lazy. तब तो भाई कुछ करना ही मत, because कुछ नहीं होने वाला. You are absolutely lazy. Don't give me these excuses that you don't have time. Right? So try and make sure that you know yourself before dropping out of college, because ये बहुत बड़ा डिसीजन होने वाला है. एंड आई डोंट वॉन्ट यू टू रिग्रेट दिस फैक्ट दैट यू ड्रॉप आउट ऑफ कॉलेज. बताऊँ, कॉलेज ड्रॉप आउट करने वाले लाखों हैं, उनमें से सिर्फ 100-200 फेमस जाते हैं, 100-200 नहीं, 10-12 फेमस जाते हैं, एंड वी थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग. So I'm not saying you are not one of those 10 and 12. I'm not saying you don't have the capability. I'm not saying not to drop out of college. All I'm saying that make sure if you drop out of college, you will not have exposure, flexibility, or chances to fail. And if you're planning to drop out of college, make sure you differentiate between your passion and fascination, and make sure you have a stable source of income. If I give you my example, I did not go to college whatsoever. Why? Because I did not see any course providing me knowledge for stock markets which I needed. Stock markets में क्या है? सिर्फ थ्योरी है, सिर्फ थ्योरी बुक्स पढ़ा दें. थ्योरी का फायदा नहीं है, बिकॉज इन स्टॉक मार्केट्स ऑन पेपर एंड रियलिटी बहुत बहुत डिफरेंट है. I wanted the practical knowledge of stock markets. That is why in our course also we only give the practical knowledge of stock markets, not theoretical. Now for doing this, how did I start generating income? I used to work at CCD part-time. Then I used to work in a bank. Then I used to work at a publishing house. Right? I kept on generating my part-time income. Why? Kal ko if I fail and I'm not able to do anything in stock markets, at least I will have this experience on my hand. Right? So that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope you make a conscious decision of leaving or joining stock markets. It is very, very important. If you have that feeling and if you still feel this video didn't answer your question, you want to talk to me, you know where to catch me. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, send us a mail on freeguidance@goilasf.in, freeguidance@goilasf.in. Everything is going to be in the description below. I'm looking forward to your comments. Till then, bye-bye.